Hello everyone and a very warm hello to moms, moms to be and new moms. When after 9 months of pregnancy you finally have the baby in your hand, you think that this is it. Now I can sit back and relax. But this thought is very short-lived. Very soon you come to realize that motherhood is not as easy as it sounds. And soon all the negative thinking and self-doubting sets in. That is why today's video is for all the new moms and moms to be to help you tackle all the negative thoughts that come into your mind in a positive way. For all of you who are wondering who I am, my name is Suchitra Parab and I'm a mother of a 7-month-old baby girl. And even I had all these negative thoughts when I became a new mom. Thank God for my mom and my husband who helped me tackle these thoughts just in time. So without any further ado, let's get started, guys. So the first negative thought that crosses the mind of a new mom is that I am not a good mom. Yes, you heard it right. A lot of times moms doubt themselves and think that they are not a good mom. Since a baby is adjusting to a new environment and you are also adjusting to a completely new environment as a mom, you sometimes feel that you are not doing enough. There are sleepless nights, there are long feeding sessions that are happening, the baby is crying constantly, and then comes the thought that I am not doing enough. Give it a break, moms. If you are doing everything that I just mentioned, you are doing enough. And give it time. You will overcome this like a pro. Also, to add to this, I would say that you need to be vocal about your feelings to a family member. It can be your mom, or your husband, or anyone. You can be vocal about your feelings. You can tell them that, I do not feel that I'm doing enough or being a good mom. So they can help you emotionally. They can talk to you, counsel you, and be an emotional support. Plus, they can also help you take care of the baby. It's very important to be vocal about your feelings to help you overcome the feeling that you are not a great mom. Remember, you produced a baby inside you, kept it 9 months and just pushed it out of your body. You are a great mom. So the second thought that crosses every mom's mind is that the baby does not love me. Sounds funny, right? But it's true. When Ishanya was small, I used to feel this every time. I used to get this thought every time, and I used to tell my mom and my husband that, look, she doesn't love me. She doesn't make eye contact. All she needs from me is milk. This happens because the baby is very busy adjusting to a new environment, and all it knows is to cry whenever it needs something. Let me give you an example. When you are new to a neighborhood, you shift houses, the first thing that you'll do is adjust yourself and make yourself comfortable in that environment, and then you'll go and bond with the neighbors, right? So that's what the baby does. It takes approximately 1 or 2 months to help them adjust themselves into the environment, and then they will bond with you. Hold on, mamas, the baby loves you. Don't worry. So the third thought that crosses every mom's mind is that my life is over. I am just a mom now. This is not true, but you're bound to think like that because all you're doing is long breastfeeding sessions, changing nappies, staying up all night, not to party, but to take care of a baby. Everyone around you seems to be enjoying life. You feel that your life has stagnated. The truth here, mamas, is that this is temporary. Your baby is not going to be a baby forever. This is a temporary break that you have taken to take care of a little one who will grow up to shower so much love on you. So mamas, hold on, think positive. This is just a temporary situation. Your life is not over. It will get back on track very soon. So the last but the most important thought is that I am ugly, I am a mess. This is a thought that I think should be tackled as soon as it gets into your head. When I delivered, I started getting breakouts, I had gained 11 kgs of weight, out of which the baby's weight was only 3.5 kgs. The rest was for me to lose. And I felt like a mess. But you know what? The key is to actually accept that situation and enjoy the present. Just enjoy that phase where you're being pampered and you're being fed all these nutritious stuff. Just enjoy that phase without thinking about your weight. Once the hormones are in control, you will lose that weight. You can work on it later. You will look pretty. As I said in my previous point, all this is temporary. Everything will get back to normal. The key is to stay positive right now and feel good about yourself. And a very important mention to mamas who are worried about their stretch marks. Mamas, wear that stretch mark like a war mark. 9 months of pregnancy and then delivery, your body has gone through so much. It is nothing less than a war. Wear that mark proudly. Wear that stretch mark proudly. I don't mean to say don't treat it. Of course treat it. But till the time it fades away, be proud of it. Wear it proudly. That's about it, guys. I wanted to share these thoughts with you because when these thoughts come into your mind, they create unnecessary negative energy and stress which needs to be tackled in time. It's very important that you speak to someone in the family to be able to tackle this very efficiently, because if you're not speaking to anyone and just keeping these thoughts to yourself, it means that you are taking this stress alone and fighting this alone, which is not an ideal situation. So be positive, mamas, and I know that if you be positive, you will be able to take care of that baby like a pro and be the best mama in the world. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked what you saw and what you heard, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also please follow me on Instagram. I have left the link in the description below. Until we meet next time, thank you and bye-bye.